I have an excellent tip for you for what you could do each week to make sure that all your spaces are decluttered, whether it's your car, it's your purse, it's your desk, your workstation, whatever areas you use. This is the Efficiency and Organization YouTube channel. Please subscribe for tips every week on how you could be organized, more productive, more efficient with how you spend your time so you can accomplish a lot more in your life and achieve some short-term and long-term goals. Cleaning is not the same as organizing and decluttering. That's different. See, cleaning I do probably like surface level once every 2 weeks, and deep cleaning, like super deep cleaning, I do once a year when it's spring cleaning. But this video, I want to talk to you about decluttering. So your desk, if you're using a desk, or if you are a hair stylist, your area there. If you are a student, so your area there, your backpack, whatever areas you use, like your top 3 areas, make sure you declutter once a week. Some people have a lot of personal affects, like they have pictures and like little creatures of their favorite things. I do too, but I don't keep them near me because that clutter produces stress. And in order for me to accomplish a lot of big important things that I'm trying to do in my life, I gotta have nice, neat spaces. So that's one suggestion that I have for you. If you have a purse, you have a car, your areas that you use every day, declutter once a week. It's going to save you a lot of time. It's going to help you to be have more focus and have a clear mind to do the things that are super more important to you, that are important to you to do for the long term and the short term, some of the big goals and dreams that you have. I purposely wanted to keep this video short and sweet, so I am done. Please make sure you subscribe again to the YouTube channel. When you go on the website, efficiencyandorganization.com, please make sure you subscribe there for some awesome tips and ideas and hacks and everything that's going to help you be more efficient and organized in your life. And I appreciate you being with me today. I will catch you in the next video.